Okay, we are dealing on calculus, which is then under calculus, that is differentiation. We'll be dealing with product rule. Now, product rule states that the y over the x will give us u dv over dx plus v du over dx. That's what product rule says. Now let's solve a question under this now. Say we have this y equals this and this. Now we are told to differentiate this. So to differentiate this, that the y over the x. Now here being our u, the first one here is our u and here is our v. So we need to we already have our, okay, let's write out our terminals. We have our u to be this plus 3, our v to be x plus 1. Then we have our du, because that is the formula. We have our du, so derivative of u will give us 3 times 2, which is 6x squared. Then the derivative of v will give us 1. So now let's get solving. So we have the y dx will give us, following the formula we have here, u, which is a 2x cube plus 1, u and u dv. So dv is what? Derivative of v is 1 plus v. What's v? We have our v here as our x plus 1. V du, derivative of u, we have it as a 6x squared. So now I'm breaking down, opening the bracket, we have 2x cube plus 1 plus 6x squared multiplied by this, we have 6x cube plus 6x. So when we collect like terms, we have 2x cube plus 6x cube plus 6x plus 1. So we have it that the y over the x will give us 2 plus this, we have a 8x cube plus 6x plus 1. And this is how to solve product rule. Now under quotient rule, we're having that the y over dx is giving us a v du over dx minus u dv over dx all over v squared. That's the formula for quotient rule. V du over dx minus u dv over dx all over v squared. Now let's try solving a case using this now. Say we have y equals 4x squared plus 7 all over 3x, and we are told to differentiate this. How do we do that? So first of all, like we did in the product rule, we need to write out our terminals. In writing out our terminals, our u, it will give us 4x squared plus 7. Our v will give us 3x. So our du, derivative of u, will give us 8x and y, the derivative of v gives us 3. So let's go back using the formula being given to us, that's the y. So we now have that the y over the x will give us what here? Our v is what? We have v as 3x. Our v bracket, the u, derivative of u is 8x, minus our u is 4x squared plus 7. 4x squared plus